Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy VTSAX on Vanguard step by step. Open your Vanguard account and log in, then confirm you have settled cash available to invest. Navigate to the Buy and Sell or Trade menu, search for the fund ticker VTSAX, and choose the amount or share quantity you want to purchase. Review fees and order type, then submit your purchase and confirm the transaction. Make funding easy by linking your checking account for ACH transfers, which usually take a few business days. Consider using the Vanguard mobile app to monitor transfer progress and verify settled cash. If you transfer brokerage assets in, request an ACATS transfer and double-check cost basis information. Keep a small buffer of settled funds to cover the minimum purchase or any rounding when buying mutual fund shares. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while you monitor investments, making research portable and distraction-free. Take a peek at the link and other deals in the description to learn more about that device and related offers. Thanks for checking it out. Now let's get back to the video. When you place the order, pick the correct account type like individual taxable or IRA, then enter the dollar amount you'd like to invest in VTSAX. Review the transaction summary for price quotes, effective trade date, and any fund minimums. Confirm there are no pending transfers or restrictions on the account that could block the purchase. Submit the trade and wait for confirmation, then check your holdings to ensure the fund appears.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.